In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your pottery off of the wheel without crushing it, okay? So prior to this video, we just heated up with a hair dryer. And so if you didn't see that, go ahead and jump back to that video so you can make sure your pottery is nice and dry. It's leather hard at this moment. But if you are ready, you're going to take your wire tool like this, wrap it around your fingers like floss. Don't you dare floss with it though. That'll really hurt. You're going to hold it tight, push down, and wow, look at that. Notice how the wheel's moving. We want the wheel to slowly move while we cut off the wheel, because what this does is, you'll see in a second, it'll essentially let the clay cut itself off the wheel. If you hold it tight, push down, and slide through right now, the wire tool could kind of bend, and you'll be really sad if the wire goes through the bottom. So this is to help ensure that your wire doesn't go through the bottom of your pot. And this is actually the way that you cut plates off, like wide pieces. So it works really well. So we're just gonna let that pottery wheel go nice and slow, hold it tight, push down, and slowly slide through the bottom. Just let that wire tool, let the clay cut itself off the wheel. Now, once you go through the bottom like that, to take it off the wheel, we're gonna take it from the base and just kind of pivot or turn and twist it off. And then look at that. Look how minimal clay was left on the wheel, okay? That is why we spin the wheel while we cut your piece off, and it essentially cuts itself off. So that's how you take pots off the wheel, the best way I've found. Hope you've enjoyed this video. And on the next video, I'll show you how to trim or smooth out the bottom depending on how much time you have.